Seamus, are you reading to Riley?
Right.
Yeah, show her where the pig is. Pig. Yeah, that's the horse. Show where the cow.
Taboo.
Moo. Okay, turn the next page. Oh, where's the cat?
Oh.
Show Riley cat. Yeah, show Riley dog. Where's the rabbit? Rabbit. Yeah. Where's the turtle? Fish. Bird. Yeah. What sound does the cat make? What sound does the dog make? Yep. Say bye-bye.